Welcome to our 12 Days of Christmas nail art series featuring me, Talia from Tali'S Nail Tales.
And me from Sarah's Nail Secrets. We had so much fun doing the series last year that we're doing it again with 12 new themes.
Be sure to check the description box below for links to last year's videos. Let's get started.
Okay, to start this set, I've already filed down her past set. And now I'm going to come in with liquid silver from Glitterbels. So I'm going to be applying this on her pinky and her pointer finger. So I just picked up a small bead and I'm placing it near the cuticle area and I'm just pushing it up towards that cuticle area. Try to make it nice and even, and then I'm going to pull this down the whole nail. So liquid silver is extremely pigmented, so you only need a little bit and it will cover any color left behind. So this client is a reformed nail biter and has come such a far way. Like, look how long her nails are now. I wasn't able to remove all the red left behind from her past set, but they will just be covered. So you really don't need to remove the entire design before. I don't know why people are so weird about that. Her real nails are underneath now, so when she flips her hands over, it's basically just that weird kind of natural nail color. If I were to try to remove everything at this point, I would have snapped a few of her nails and had to redo them, and I just didn't have time for that. So for those nails, I'm going to be covering them up with Glitterbels Snowdrop White, which I found is a really great white. It does cover, it's crazy pigmented. It covers up all that red and everything, so I really like the Snowdrops White. So if my client did want to get rid of all this color, then she would need to take her nails off and I'd need to redo them. And she doesn't really seem to care about this leftover color, but eventually I will like to redo her nails to adjust her C-curve and her shape. But for this set at this time, I just didn't have the time for that. Since her nails are so long, I needed to apply the Snowdrops White in more than one bead. So here I'm just coming in and I'm applying another bead down at the tip. And I'm just going to try to blend it into the top bead. So I'm just really trying to pat this into place, make sure it's nice and smooth and even. That's just how I like to apply my acrylic. That way it's a little bit easier when it comes down to finish filing if everything is placed smoothly and my application is on point. I applied the white on all three of those colors, and then I'm doing a cool snow angel design on the pinky and the pointer finger. So here I'm coming in with my Cure Sky No Wipe top coat, and you're not going to cure this. And then I'm sprinkling the Snowdrops White into that wet gel. So I am going to be encapsulating this, and the only reason I'm doing so is because my client's a hairdresser and will stain this. So now I'm coming in with a dotting tool and I'm just using that to kind of remove some of that acrylic that was placed on. Since this isn't cured yet, now I can kind of draw into it. So it's pretty fun and pretty cool, and it totally looks like a little snow angel. So I'm just using a dotting tool to create my little snow angel, and then I will cure that. And then you can encapsulate this, and I did already see this client and this lasted perfectly fine, and she had no breakage or anything and no product breakdown or anything, so you don't need to worry about that. So I did that design on her pointer finger as well and cured it, and here's how they look right now. So now I'm just going to brush off the nail just to make sure there's no extra dust on the nails. And then I'm going to encapsulate all these nails. So here I'm coming in with my Glam and Glitz clear acrylic from their Back to Basics line, and I'm just encapsulating all these nails and creating apex. When doing nails of this length, I usually apply my first bead down at the tip area, fill that in and pat it into place, and then I come in to build up my cuticle area and my apex. After all the nails have been built up, I'm just going to quickly go over finish filing. And if you don't like finish filing, you can skip past with the timestamp at the bottom. So I'm coming in with a cuticle cone bit here, and I'm just cleaning up the cuticle area and make it nice and even. And now I'm coming in with this safety bit. It's kind of like a rounded top, that way you don't cut your client. I don't really like this bit, but I'm just using it in this one video. I'm not going to use it anymore. I'm just using this to help debulk the nail. Then I'm coming in with my 180 grit hand file, and I'm going to fix up the shape, and I'm going to use this to go over top of the nail to smooth it out and even it out and make sure to remove any deep ridges that could have been left behind with my other bits. Then I'm going to come in with a flame bit and refine my C-curve at the tip. On the Snow Angel nails, I'm going to be applying some white opal crystals just in the corner, and you can use my code SARAH10 for 10% off at Crystal Princess. So on her ring finger, her middle finger, and her thumb, I'm applying Kira Sky No Wipe Top Coat. I'm going to cure this for a full minute in my Kira Sky Beyond Professional lamp, just 1 minute. And then I'm going to be using the Social Claws Luminara Aurora pigment on top. So I just use my finger, or you can use a glove, or you can use a sponge to rub this in. You're just going to want to really rub this into that top coat, and it'll just stick and create this really pretty shimmery design. So you can use this on top of other colors too, and it looks really nice on top of any color. So now I just need to add some snowflakes. So I'm using my clear jelly stamper pretty paper in the gifted one. So I'm just going in with the white clear jelly stamper polish, and I'm just using these snowflakes. So these are supposed to be layered, and I was going to layer them with silver, but once I did the white, I thought it was so pretty and it didn't need anything else. So I just left the tiny snowflakes on those nails. So now I'm just top coating these nails, and I'm going to be doing some more crystals in a second. So I'm just using my Kira Sky No Wipe top coat, and I'm going to give those a full cure. I'm using my Light Elegance Buttercream in the Silver Metallic. This one is amazing. I love the metallic buttercreams for hand painting. I'm just drawing a little triangle from the left down to the right corner, and I'm going to be applying crystals on top of this. I thought it would just add just a really pretty little background to the crystals, so that's why I did that. So you're going to want to cure this, and then you'll apply your crystals on top. So I'm just pushing these into that ugly duckling shtick it, and then I'm going to be using some of these little silver beads to fill in some of the sides and down at the bottom there. So you'll want to give that a full cure, and here's the finished design. So I thought that these turned out so cute. I absolutely loved them. I love the shiny chrome and the tiny snowflakes. I thought they were so cute. So I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to check out what Tali'a did. Hers are so cute on this shorter set of nails. So make sure you check out her channel, and I will link her in the description box. So check back tomorrow. We only have 2 days left. So check back to not miss the last few videos in this series, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!